Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to create a peaceful scenery drawing. Imagine yourself in a friend's place as we bring this vision to life. First, grab your pencil and paper. Let's start with the basics, a horizon line across the middle. This will separate the sky from the land. Draw it lightly as we might adjust it later. Above the horizon, let's sketch in the sky pictures of clouds. Draw a few wispy, fluffy clouds. You can vary their size and shape. Imagine them floating gently. Now let's add a sun or a moon just above the horizon. Wherever you like, if it is a sun, make it a bit larger and brighter. For a moon, add a few stars around it. Below the horizon, let's add some rolling hills or a lake. If you are drawing hills, start with gentle curves. If it is a lake, make the line smoother, stretching across the landscape. Picture the reflections of the sky or